Let's explore Morib. Now see the mark. This barbecue sauce and then cooking oil. Welcome to Bantin, a quiet town in Selangor, Malaysia. Talk for me one, Satu. Bantin Morib is known for its relaxed vibe. It's perfect for a peaceful getaway. Let's explore what this town has to offer. I just checked into the hotel room here in Bantin. The name of the hotel is called Villa Morib. So the room cost me 230 Malaysian ringgit and it comes with breakfast for two. So this is how the room looks like. We'll be going downstairs later to explore the hotel and the facilities that comes with it. So guys, welcome to Bantin Morib Villa. Yeah, it's time to grill. Houston grills tonight, you know. Come on, let's do this, guys. Yo. Lavender. All right. Now it's time to cool off a little. It's gonna be a long night of grilling. We're gonna do this. Cheers. Tonight we'll be grilling. Fresh tomato, our vegetables, bell pepper, another green bell pepper, the red one, and we have our onion. So we have our cooking oil, and then these are some other spices that we'll be using for our grilling tonight. I will also be grilling corn, so we'll all add it together in our vegetables. We have our barbecue sauce. Let's do it one more time. Start slicing it. I have to mix my spices, the spices that I'll be using for the grilling. I have to mix it up now. So this one is dried chili, grounded chili. This one is a Maggi cube. This is barbecue sauce. And then we have a little bit of salt. And then cooking oil with the onion and all. So I'll be mixing up. To do this, I need 2 cubes. More of this. Salt. And then you mix it up together. And then we'll turn it up. Okay. You have to marinate it, the front and the back side of the chicken. Marinate properly. Alright, so now it's time to cover it. Now let it marinate. Charcoal. Yeah, now let it burn. Whew. Let me take a 5 minutes break after lighting up the charcoal. Let it burn for a while and then we'll start grilling. Fresh coconut. Whew. to wash my vegetables. Okay. Wow. Yes. I can see the look. It's changing. It's gonna be juicy. Juicy barbecue Eastern grills. Showing off my culinary skills, you know. This is how we do it. Okay. Corn is ready. Yeah, our chicken is ready. Let's try it. Yeah. And give this.
In Springfield, of the people that live there.
People of Springfield, I need something else.
Wow. Join me, let's do this. Barbecue is ready. The chicken is so juicy. Well grilled. Thank you guys for watching my culinary skills. Good night from Morib. Hello everyone, good morning from Morib. It's breakfast time, it's 8:30 a.m. We're here for the breakfast, guys. This is what I do for my breakfast. I'll be having this for breakfast. Now see the mark with chicken and boiled egg and sausages. Now I spice it up with a little bit of tomato. So there is the peanut, and then I'm having some fruits with my coffee and water besides. So guys, join me, let's enjoy the breakfast here at Morib. Good morning. This is one of the best nasi lemak I've ever had. This is so nice and so delicious. I'm loving it. My little favorite nasi lemak. The sambar is really so red and it tastes great. time is over. Let's explore Morib. Morib Beach is the main attraction here. The beach is known for its calm waters and soft sand, making it a great spot for relaxation. Many people come here to have picnic or just to enjoy the beautiful sunset.